Okay, first you're going to add in your oil, about 2 tablespoons. And then you're going to add in your kreung. Okay, stir that for a few seconds. Then you're going to add in your hot and totom. And then add in your spare rib. Fry this, mix this till it turns a little crispy. Add in some fish sauce. Tablespoons of chicken bouillon. Two teaspoons of salt. Tamarind soup mix. About a tablespoon of that. Okay, stir everything up until they turn crispy. Okay, once your meat is like this, like turning crispy, you're going to add in your curry leaf and jalapeno. And then give it a few toss. Okay, then you're going to add in your Kermit eggplant and water lily. Okay. And you're gonna mix this very well till all the vegetable and the meat combine together. And then you're gonna fill it with water enough to cover all the vegetable and meat. See? And then cover it and bring it to a boil. Okay, when it comes to a boil, it'll cook for about 10 minutes and you can turn off your soup and enjoy. It's all done. ស្ល Machu Kreung ឆ្អឹងជំនីជ្រូកជាមួយត្រកួន ត្រប់ស្រួយ ហើយនិងម្ទេស Jalapeño ហើយនិងសឹកកត្រួត Thank you for watching. Bye bye.